Be honest, you enjoy mowing, but who doesn't want to save a little extra time? There is no task in lawn care that consumes more of your time than mowing. But what if I told you that there are 5 things that you can do right now that will reduce the overall time that you spend mowing? Now, every time I mow, I implement these 5 tips, but even doing just one of these will reduce the time that you spend mowing. So let's get into the first tip. Most people follow the tire tracks of their previous pass, but here's the problem with that. Most mower decks are actually wider than the tracks of the wheels. What you actually want to do is line up the edge of your mower deck with the uncut grass and not the wheels. Now, this simple change will reduce the total amount of passes that you're going to make by the time you're all said and done. Pay special attention to where you're throwing your grass clippings, because if you're throwing them on the driveway or out in the road, guess what? You're going to have to clean them up later. So why not keep them in the lawn where they belong? Try this. Before you mow, in your mind, map out your mowing path so that you can plan to throw your clippings back out into the lawn. I know what you're thinking. How is mowing more often saving me time? Well, here's the deal. When you let your lawn get overgrown, that tall grass actually slows you down. See, a kept lawn is much easier to care for than one that you mow less often. I'll put it to you like this. Have you ever washed a filthy car? Well, I bet it took you twice as long to clean. And that is exactly what it's like when you don't mow your lawn frequently. There are only a few select reasons why you should bag your clippings. If you have a lawn fungus, or maybe your lawn is way overgrown, but outside of that, put your bagger away. Return those clippings back to the lawn. The organic material is great for your lawn, and no, grass clippings do not cause thatch, especially if you're watering correctly and you're mowing frequently. And I saved the best for last. The last tip is to repeat your mowing pattern. There is no better way to mow faster than to mow the same pattern that you just did last time. There's no guessing, there's no straightening up your mower path, it's just mow and go. Now, you do need to change up your directions every few mows, but why not take advantage and really reduce your mowing time? Plus, mowing the same pattern is going to burn in those stripes, and it's going to have your neighbors wondering why your lawn looks so good. So if you want to reduce your mowing time, check your overlap, be careful about where you're sending those clippings. Make sure you're mowing often, ditch that bagger, and try speeding up your mowing time by going over the same path a few times. And if you want to learn more tips about DIY lawn care, check out the next video. My name is Devin. I'm the DIY Lawn Coach, and I'll see you in the next one.